This is Los Angeles in the U.S. It's a great place to eat. But you don't need to go to a restaurant or a cafe in LA. There are thousands of other excellent places to eat all over the city, when you can find them. These are a few of LA's gourmet food trucks. There are around 6,000 gourmet food trucks in the city. They sell all kinds of food, and they're very popular. And every day they're in a different place. You can follow the food trucks on the internet. Usually, fast food isn't very good, but these trucks sell great food from around the world. The food is cheap, too. What would you like to eat? Would you like to try some Thai food? Or some Mexican food? How about some Indian food? Or some Vietnamese food? There's always some American food, too. There's chicken, soup, cheese, salad. Some of the food is healthy, and some of the food isn't.
Let's see, burger, cheese, grilled onions, and a fried egg on top.
Luckily, the weather is usually good in LA. There aren't any tables or chairs here, but customers can sit on the ground and chat with their friends. It isn't always comfortable, but the food is always delicious.
I'd like a waffle sundae with the strawberry and chocolate sauce. Yeah. Strawberry sauce? Yes.
This is Artie Canodia. This is her food truck, Crispy Waffle and Friet. 3 years ago, Artie went to Belgium and ate some delicious Belgian waffles. She returned to America and bought a food truck, and now she sells Belgian waffles all around Los Angeles. Every day, Artie drives to a different area of the city. She tells her customers where she is on her website, on Twitter, and on Facebook. Artie's food truck is very popular. Artie is always busy. She'd like to go on holiday, but she never has the time. Los Angeles is famous for its gourmet food trucks, but they are now in lots of other cities too. There are gourmet food trucks in cities like New York, Chicago, and London. Are there any near you?